friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's special dish is Dahi Ke Sholay. I've tried to make it as healthy as possible. So without any delay, let's get started.
So before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to Trip Grill India and hit the bell icon for all notifications.
So to make this recipe, I am taking half cup of hunker, half cup of grated paneer, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli, few coriander leaves, and here I have taken chopped cashew nuts and raisins. Now I'll take all these ingredients in a bowl and mix them well. So I've mixed them well. Now to this I'm adding salt, some Aamchur powder and some crushed black pepper. Now we'll mix them. So here I have taken 4 slices of bread and I'll trim off the edges. Now I'll roll this bread as thin as possible. So this prevents bread from absorbing oil. Now I'll place 1 tablespoon of dahi stuffing in one side of the bread. Now brush some water around the edges. Now we will roll and press the edges to seal them tight, else the stuffing will be in the oil when we are frying it, be deep fry or shallow fry. So we have to make like pockets. So this kind of, we have to close the edges. So you can see our pocket is ready. Now I'll make these kind of pockets with rest of the bread slices. So our bread pockets are ready. So I'll be shallow frying these bread pockets to make Dahi Ke Sholay. But you can also deep fry these in oil, but I would prefer it shallow frying. Also another point I'm adding here is I have taken multigrain bread. You can preferably take brown bread or white bread. So now we will start shallow frying our bread pockets, for which I have taken this pan, I have heated this, and to this I will be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So our oil is heated. Now I'll add these bread pockets. So we'll cook these bread pockets until it turns golden brown on one side and then turn it and cook on the other side. So one side it's cooked, now we'll turn it to the other side. So Dahi Ke Sholay is ready and now I'll remove it from the pan. So Dahi Ke Sholay is ready to serve.